Ndewo n'umunnem. Ndewo means greeting. Well done in Igbo language. This course I'm taking is beginners friendly. Once you follow me consistently, by the time we go far, you will know how to write, speak, and say anything in Igbo language. Whether you know Igbo before or you have not known Igbo at all, by the time you follow me and you are consistent in learning my lessons, you will know everything you need to know about Igbo language. And that is why I started teaching with Igbo alphabets. That is the basic. You need to know how to pronounce the Igbo alphabets. Once you learn it, you can form any Igbo language or any word in Igbo language. So today, let us begin. I told you in our last lesson that today we are going to look at small letters. Last lesson we did big letters. Today is small letters. Igbo language, Asusu Igbo. That's the meaning. Igbo language, Asusu Igbo. So let us go through them. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, B, E. G, H, I, A, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, N, Z. These are the small letters. We have 8 vowels in Igbo language. The vowels are 8 in number. When you remove the vowels, you now get the consonants. The vowels are 8. The Igbo vowels are A, E, I, E, O, U, O. They are 8 in numbers. So Igbo vowels is called Udume Igbo. They are 8 in numbers. It is when we combine the vowels and the consonants, you form a words in Igbo. For instance, A, P, A, aqua. A, P, A, aqua, cloth. E, B, E, egbe, gun. You get it from the alphabets. E, B, E, egbe. E, C, E, easy, head. E, C, E, easy. E, Z, E, Eze, king. E, Z, E, Eze, that's king. A, G, O, ego, money. A, B, O, ego. These are a few examples on how to form words. In our next lesson, we will form more words. Please follow me, share, comment, and like. Once you are consistent in my lessons, you will know everything you need to know about Igbo language. Thank you and God bless.